have probably seen this kind of smooth animation used by big YouTubers, right? And you already know how much time and effort it usually takes to create something like that. Hours of editing, adjusting frames, syncing audio, and whatnot. But in today's video, I'm going to show you an AI tool that can create this exact style of animation just from a single text prompt. And the best part, it's completely free to use. You don't need to spend hours sitting in front of your computer or using complicated editing software. All you have to do is just type a short prompt, and within seconds, this AI will generate a stunning, professional looking animation for you automatically. Alright, so the website I'm talking about is called AutoAE. Now listen carefully. If you see the name and rush to try making animations on your own, you will probably end up wasting your credits because it won't work the way you think. AutoAE has a few specific rules and settings you need to understand first. That's why I'm saying watch this video till the end, then go and try it out, okay? And yes, make sure to stick around till the end because I will also show you how you can get unlimited credits without buying any subscription. Alright, so first thing first, you need to head over to the AutoAE website. Once you are there, simply sign up using your Gmail ID, okay? Right after creating your account, you will get 5 free credits, which means you can download 5 full animation videos absolutely free. Pretty cool, right? After that, go to the section called All Templates. Here you will find a huge collection of high quality animation templates, the same kind of visuals that big YouTubers and content creators use in their videos. You can pick any template you like and customize it completely. Add your own text, upload your logo, change colors, adjusting timing, basically make it look exactly how you want. And the best part is, all these templates are professionally designed and high quality. So you don't have to worry about editing or design skills. You can also preview each template before using it, and if you click on next, you will see even more templates to choose from. Alright, let me show you how it actually works. For example, let's say I like this particular template. I can simply preview it right here to see how it looks before editing. Once you open it, you will see all the details about that template, like its duration, how many text sections it includes, how many image or media slots it has, and everything you need to know before customizing it. Now just click on the customization button. Here is where the real magic happens. You can upload your own character images, logos, or photo by clicking on select media. Upload all the visuals you want to appear in your animation. It could be your product images, characters, or brand elements. Next, you can easily edit the text, change the words, captions, or messages to whatever you want. You can tweak every single line and make it fit your script or brand tone perfectly. And once you are done with all the customization, just click on download video. Within a few moments, your final animation video will start downloading, fully rendered and ready to use. It's that easy. No software, no complex tools. Just plug in your media, adjust the text, and AutoAE does all the heavy lifting for you. And here it is. Our video is ready. Now all you have to do is click on download button. In the free version, you can absolutely download your animation, but keep in mind it will include a watermark. If you want to download it without a watermark, then you will need to upgrade to their premium plan. Let me quickly show you. The subscription costs just $8 per month, and with that you get 50 high quality downloads every month. Honestly, that's a pretty good deal considering the level of animation quality and the time it saves you. So yeah, if you're just testing it out, the free version is perfect. But if you want clean, watermark-free videos for professional use, the paid plan is totally worth it. But that's not all. AutoAE doesn't just give you ready-made templates. You can also create your own custom animations just by typing a text prompt. All you have to do is click on Create Free Animation Now, type your idea or prompt into the box, and the AI will instantly generate a complete animation for you. Just hit the arrow button and within a few seconds, your video will be ready to download. How cool is that? Okay, remember I promised to show you how to get unlimited credits without buying a subscription, right? Here is the deal. Every time someone signs up through your referral link, both of you instantly get 3 trial downloads. Those downloads work on any 1080p templates, including pro templates, and they don't add a watermark. So with every new sign up you bring in, you're essentially stacking 3 free professional quality renders for yourself and helping a friend get started too. How to use it is simple. Copy your referral link from the AutoAE dashboard, share it with friends, followers, or in your community groups, and when someone signs up with that link, you both get the credits automatically. So that's how simple it is to use AutoAE. Whether you are using templates or creating animations from scratch, everything happens in just a few clicks. If you want to discover more amazing and powerful AI tools like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification, because I will be sharing a lot more exciting tools and tutorials that can help you save time and level up your creativity.